Gather your materials and follow along to make this cute corn on the cob craft. You only need yellow and green cardstock, glue, your glue gun, and inexpensive Cheerio cereal. First, draw and cut out your ear of corn from the yellow paper. Cut 2 leaves from your green paper. Glue the pieces together to form the corn on the cob. You can decide if you need to use hot glue or school glue based on your child's age. I chose to use hot glue for this tutorial. Place dots of glue all over the yellow paper and add a Cheerio. If you choose to use regular school glue, allow everything to dry completely. With using hot glue, it will dry immediately. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.